Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Wandering Joe's Fly Fishing. Today I have a couple hours to spend, and so I decided that I was going to do some special regulation creek fishing. So in this creek they have wild rainbow and brook trout, and I know the last video I made about wild rainbow and brook trout, I said I was going to catch brook trout. So today I am going to put in some special effort to try and catch brook trout and be able to put that on video. So as you can hear right now, it's a little drizzly and a little rainy, as is what happens in Virginia during May, and so I'm not so bothered by it, but I hope the bite is good regardless. So let's see what we can do. Come on, buddy. Yes. stay there. Hey guys, I wanted to try a different outro for this episode of Wandering Joe's Fly Fishing, and so I want to start it off by saying thank you for watching. Your support means a lot to me, and I'm super grateful for you and the time you've spent tuned into this video. Truly, thank you so much. On a different note, about a year ago, I bought some fly gear from a guy locally, and it included a 2-weight rod that you see me use in this video. I went back and forth on selling it or keeping it, and ultimately decided that I would at least try creek fishing. I have to say that being on the search for wild trout in small creeks with a fly rod is something I never thought I would do. I've spent most of my fishing career in larger rivers with chest waders, mostly because I find creek fishing incredibly hard and absolutely exhausting. If you hadn't noticed, I'm not the most fit person trying to do this type of stuff, and I still have a lot to learn when it comes to this style of fishing. Outside of being spent after I'm done for the day, what I have found is that creek fishing puts me in some of the most gorgeous and quiet places that one can be nowadays. And on top of that, it affords me the opportunity to catch some of the most beautiful and colorful trout I've ever had in my net. I think that's enough of a reason to keep trying. Again, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. As always, be well, and I'll see you on the next episode of Wandering Joe's Fly Fishing.